Yoga teachers, did you know that one of the most common poses that students get injured in is Shavasana? That's right. The final relaxation at the end of the class could be causing your students neck pain, hip pain, or low back pain. This is why we always support students in their Shavasana, their final resting pose. So let me give you an example. I practice yoga quite a bit, but I still have some imbalances in my body. And whatever shows up in your body, one place is going to show up other places. So let's lay down here and just see if you can observe my posture. I've got a little bit of hyperlordosis happening. And you can usually, my head will be a little bit tilted up. You can hear the strain on my vocal cords. So our students might look like this. They're not relaxing. There's strain here. If your vocal cords are strained, your breath is strained. So they can't fully relax. So just notice my posture. Now with some simple props like a pillow. Yep, we can bring in pillows to our yoga classes, or a blanket under the head. Or I usually prefer a little bit more cushions under the knees, but even something simple like this, and then snuggling up the head. And my low back is starting to relax. If you don't have bolsters, sometimes even a chair will work, or just having them bring their knees together and feet wide. Ah, yes, now I can relax more into this posture. I like a big round manduka bolster underneath those knees. We have some of those here at the studio too, but even just a little something is better than nothing as they come into this. So stop straining and allowing your students to strain in Shavasana. Prop them, support them, so they can really get that rest that we all need right now. Namaste, everybody.